Y'all, it's 7:55 a.m. on a Monday, and I haven't meal prepped yet. Luckily, I cooked some things like maybe 1 a.m. this morning, but yeah, I gotta figure this out. We can do this. Okay, this is what I have so far. My teas are already prepped. I still have 2 watermelon juices from last week. I peeled my tangerines, and then I have some apple slices for snacks. I'm about to make peanut butter and jelly for lunch. I had already cooked the rice yesterday. Then these are like, I think the brand is called Sweet Earth, but it's like these little seitan strips that I've been doing stir fry with since yesterday. So I'll do like an Asian stir fry, and then those strips and the rice. Last night I just ate the Asian stir fry and the rice, like no, because I really don't like eating processed faux vegan meats each day, so I'll alternate apple slices and watermelon for my juice. And then we're gonna girl, you don't have time, so we're doing cereal this week, probably with a slice of banana. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and make this juice and my sandwich, and then I should be out on time, hopefully, fingers crossed. Alright, I'm all done. 8:20, so I need to be out the door right now. Apple cider vinegar tea each day. Leftover watermelon juice from last week. This week's watermelon juice is just watermelon, apples, and honey. Apple slices, and then tangerine for snacks. Peanut butter jelly sandwiches for lunch. Rice, this seitan, like beef strips, I guess, vegan beef strips, and I'll saute the Asian medley cereal for breakfast, and I'm putting banana slices each day. So right now this bowl has banana slices because it'll be going to work with me today, and yeah, we're all done. Ooh, let me get out the door.